In today's video, I will show you how to use double date in Tinder. Dating can sometimes feel a bit like a high-stakes job interview, which is exactly why Tinder introduced this collaborative feature to turn swiping into a low-pressure team sport. It has become wildly popular with Gen Z users, who often treat dating as a social project, and testing data actually shows that group chats initiated through this mode generate significantly more activity than standard one-on-one messages. To set up your own duo, open the Tinder app on your device and tap the double date icon, which looks like two smiley faces located in the top right corner of your main card stack. Next, it is time to invite a friend. So, select up to 3 friends from your contacts to invite via a special shared link sent directly through the platform. Once your friend accepts the invitation, you will build the profile together, creating a joint duo profile featuring both of your photos and shared interests so you can start swiping on other pairs together. And that's it. That's how you use double date in Tinder.